Ants crawling on your walls can totally ruin the vibe at home, but there are some easy ways to kick them out without losing your cool. First off, you have to keep those walls super clean because ants love to follow crumbs and sticky spots like a treasure map. Wipe down the walls regularly with vinegar or lemon juice mixed with water, since ants hate those smells. Next, try using ant repellent paint additives when you repaint. It's like giving your walls a built-in bug shield, which is kinda genius. You can also seal up any cracks or holes where ants sneak inside. Sealant or caulk works wonders here. Don't forget to check around windowsills and door frames, because those are like open doors for ants. If you spot ants, sprinkle some cinnamon or coffee grounds near their entry points. Weird but true, they hate those smells. Another trick is to keep food sealed tight and don't leave dirty dishes out, because that's basically an invitation for ants to party. Lastly, set up natural ant baits like borax mixed with sugar water away from kids and pets to lure and kill the colony. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants crawling on walls is ignoring the source of the problem, like not sealing entry points properly. Fix that by checking every crack and hole and sealing them tight so ants have nowhere to get in. Another common issue is using harsh chemical sprays everywhere without cleaning first, which just makes ants scatter and pop up in new spots instead of solving the problem. Clean your walls first before any treatment. The last big mistake is relying only on sprays or traps without keeping the area clean. Ants will keep coming back if you leave crumbs or sticky stuff around, so staying consistent with cleaning is key. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors easily without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them directly with people who need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone.